Good morning, student. Today we will study class 4th, chapter number 3, and the topics are today which we are going to discuss. Number 1 is copying a text, second is moving a text, and third one is spell check. Means spelling those are incorrected. You can also correct from here. Firstly, copying a text, second moving a text, and third one is spell check. Firstly, what is copying a text? The copying means to create a duplicate copy of the selected text. The selected text remains as both the location after copying. To copy the text, copy and paste commands are used. If you want to copy any text from one place to another, the copy and paste command is used to copy. Okay, this is a paragraph. You can see the paragraph I have written here. Now what are the options you have to do when you are copying any or anything in this in Microsoft? The first one is select the text to copy. Firstly, you have to select a text what you want to copy. I have selected the whole text. I want to copy this. Then I have the selected it. Then what you have to do, from a clipboard group, click on copy. Here you can see it is given here copy option, or the short form is control plus C. The short form to copy is control plus C, or you can do a right click on the selected text and you can also copy from here. Okay, these three options I have told you. You can copy from here, or you can do control C, or you can right click here and you can copy your text from there only. Then firstly what you have to do, you have to select a paragraph. After that you want to select click on copy and bring the cursor to place where you want to paste a text. और आपको जहां पे भी टेक्स्ट को पेस्ट करना है आप वहां पे कर्सर लाइए, राइट क्लिक करेंगे एंड आफ्टर दैट you can, what you can do, you can paste from here, paste, or you can click here, paste. Okay, your text will be paste here. This is your text, you can see, and this is the way you can paste a text from one place to another. Okay, one paragraph to another. If select it and click on backspace or delete option. This is the first way you can select. Now the second way is, you can select the paragraph or line or one or two line what you want to select. Click on control C. Control C press करने के बाद what you have to do, click here where you want to paste and go and click and what you want to do, press button control, after that V. See, the text is copied here. Okay, the text is copied here. Okay, you can see the text I have copied by using control C for copy and control V for paste. Okay, control C for copy and control V for paste. This is the way you can copy a text from one place to another, or a paragraph. After that, what is our second topic? My dear, our second topic is moving a text. If you want to move a text from one place to another, then what you have to do? Moving means to shift the selected text to another location. The selected text is deleted from its original location after moving. To move text, cut and paste commands are used. Means control X for cut and control C for copy and control V for paste. But if you want to move a text from one place to another, then what you have to do, you have to select a text. Suppose that I am selecting this file from Olympics Media to my last. Okay, I have selected this. What you have to do, you have to press here control and X. Control X you have done, and after that if you want to paste this file, suppose that I want to paste here, then what you have to do, you have to press control V. See, your file has been pasted here. And if you want to cut this from here, same process you have to do what I have told you earlier. You can select it or go to backspace, your file will be deleted. You can see how the file has been deleted from one place to another. Okay, this how you can move a text. Now the options are select the text to move. First what you have to do, select a text, then move it. Suppose that I am opening this file, I have opened this, you can see. And if you want to get back here, then what you have to do, Control Z, जब आप प्रेस करेंगे तो जो भी आपका टेक्स्ट रहेगा वो आपको बैक आ जाएगा. What you have to do, moving firstly you have to select the text, आपको टेक्स्ट सेलेक्ट करना है. Then from the clipboard group click on cut. See, suppose I have selecting this one. Then what you have to do, you have to select a cut from here. Click on the paste option to paste the cut text. यहाँ पे आपका पेस्ट ऑप्शन है, आप यहाँ से पेस्ट ऑप्शन में क्लिक करके भी अपने टेक्स्ट को दोबारा जहां भी आपको कॉपी करना है वहां पे आप कॉपी कर सकते हैं. नाउ this is how you can move a text from one place to another. Now our second topic, our third topic is spell check. MS Word also help us to identifying the spelling and grammatical mistake. जो MS Word है, it help us to identify the grammatical mistake and spellings also. The spelling mistakes are highlighted with red wavy lines. The grammatical mistakes are highlighted with green wavy lines. To correct a spelling, right click on the word. A pop-up menu opens with a list of suggested words. Choose the correct word from the list. Click on ignore if you want to keep the word as it is and remove the way line under. Okay, after that what you have to do, suppose I am selecting this, you can see the red wavy lines are here, the red wavy lines 1, 2 and 3. It help us to correct the spelling. Go here and right click here, you can see how the ignore all, add dictionary. And if you want to write, if the spelling is incorrect, it will tell you why your spelling is incorrect. I have written here the spelling is also right, but there is grammatical mistake and I have not given any space. So when I am selecting this, how it will shows you that your spelling is now correct, but here it is shown the green wavy line, means there is a grammatical mistake. Okay, there is a grammatical mistake here. If you want to go on grammar and see, but how is written in this way, and I have written in this way, that there is difference in both. Okay, after that you can also ignore once. If you are doing ignore, then your spelling will as it is and your word will be also as it is. Now here also given are red wavy lines. Now what is it is given here, souths, and this many spellings are here. And if you want to ignore, then click on ignore. Right here programs, right click here, it means that programmers, programmed, programmer, programs and programmed. There are many things. If you want to ignore it, then you can ignore from here. Okay, your spell check will work like this. Click, you can check your spelling and grammatical mistake in a document using spelling and grammar option under a review tab. Firstly, what you have to do, click on review tab. After that, this tab, this one, click on review tab, then click here spelling grammar. After that, this you can see a dialog box will open with a list of suggestion for each highlighted mistakes. जो भी हमारी मिस्टेक्स रहेंगी वो आपकी हाईलाइटेड रहेंगी और वो आपके फ्रंट में ओपन हो जाएंगी. एंड keyboard shortcut, if you want to spelling and grammar check by you using your keyboard, then you have to press F7. When you are pressing F7, see I am pressing here F7 and your spelling box will be opened here. Or this is your spelling. You can see the many spellings are incorrected in this paragraph. So no, many spellings are incorrected. So the option is open here. It is of green underline, means grammatical mistake. The autocorrect option automatically correct the spelling at the time of typing. You can choose one of the following options. Select the correct word from the suggestion box and click on change button to replace the word. Click on change all button to replace the word throughout the document. Okay, spell check is as it is working when you are using a mobile and you are typing anything in WhatsApp और टेक्स्ट. जब हम अपने WhatsApp पे और या टेक्स्ट पे कभी भी वर्क करते हैं या कोई भी चीज टाइप करते हैं, इफ वी आर श्योर अबाउट स्पेलिंग, देन when you are typing anything in your WhatsApp or your text messages, the spelling is coming shown in a dialog box. जो स्पेलिंग रहती है वो नीचे एक बॉक्स के अंदर आती रहती हैं और वो कभी कभी ऑटोमेटिकली, अगर ऑप्शन आपने चूज किया होता है तो वो आपकी ऑटोमेटिक चेंज भी हो जाती हैं. What you have to do, you have to read this chapter up to spell check, and I'm giving you a short homework. On page number 27 there is given a class activity. It is given here true and false. You have to do by your own, otherwise I will provide you the worksheet when our chapter will be completed. Thank you and have a nice day.